Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on PayKickstart. If you want to sell your own products and services online, you need to set up online payment tools that automate the process. These tools, known as shopping carts, allow you to create nice-looking checkout pages where your prospective customers can visit, choose their payment options, and purchase your product or service in a safe and secure way. This ensures you get paid and your customers receive their product automatically. In today's video, we're going to focus on PayKickstart. Whether it's the right one for you or not, we'll find out as we go through this tutorial. I'll be showing you inside and talking about some of its features and functionalities. Let's dive into the features of PayKickstart accepting payment. PayKickstart offers a seamless payment processing experience with multiple payment gateway integrations, including PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. This flexibility allows merchants to accept various payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. Subscription management. Managing subscriptions is a breeze with PayKickstart. The platform offers robust tools to handle recurring billing, automate subscription renewals, and manage different subscription plans. Features like the Subscription Saver help recover failed payments automatically by retrying charges and sending reminders to customers. Checkout experience. PayKickstart enhances the checkout experience with customizable checkout page templates that are mobile responsive and optimized for conversions. Revenue retention. PayKickstart is designed to maximize revenue retention. Features like the Subscription Saver and cart abandonment recovery tools help reclaim lost sales. Automated follow-ups and retargeting options keep customers engaged and encourage repeat purchases. Affiliate management. PayKickstart includes a comprehensive affiliate management system, allowing merchants to set up and manage affiliate programs with ease. Affiliates can be given unique tracking links, and commissions can be automatically calculated and paid out. Billing and accounting. PayKickstart simplifies billing and accounting with automated invoicing and payment processing. The platform supports tax management, including VAT and sales tax calculations, ensuring compliance with regional regulations. Merchants can generate detailed financial reports and export data to their preferred accounting software. This streamlines financial management and reduces administrative burdens. Reporting and analytics. PayKickstart provides powerful reporting and analytics tools to track sales performance, customer behavior, and marketing effectiveness. Merchants can access real-time data on revenue, conversions, traffic sources, and more. Customizable dashboards and detailed reports enable merchants to monitor key metrics, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their business strategies. Integrations. PayKickstart integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party applications, including email marketing platforms, CRM systems, webinar tools, and membership site plugins. Popular integrations include MailChimp, Infusionsoft, Zapier, and more. These integrations allow merchants to automate workflows, enhance marketing efforts, and streamline business operations. Security. Security is a top priority for PayKickstart. The platform uses advanced encryption protocols to protect sensitive data and ensure secure transactions. PCI compliance ensures that payment information is handled according to industry standards. Additionally, PayKickstart offers fraud prevention tools to safeguard against unauthorized transactions and account breaches. Mobile app. PayKickstart offers a mobile app that allows merchants to manage their businesses on the go. The app provides access to key features such as sales tracking, subscription management, and affiliate monitoring. Merchants can receive real-time notifications and insights, ensuring they stay informed and responsive to business needs, even when away from their desktops. Customer support. PayKickstart is known for its excellent customer support. Merchants can access a wealth of resources, including a comprehensive knowledge base, video tutorials, and step-by-step guides. For direct assistance, PayKickstart offers email and live chat support. The platform's support team is responsive, knowledgeable, and dedicated to helping merchants resolve issues and make the most of their PayKickstart experience. Regarding pricing, PayKickstart offers 3 pricing plans to cater to different needs and stages of business growth: Starter, Growth, and Scale. Here's a detailed overview of each plan. Starter Plan. This plan costs $99 per month. It's designed for individuals or small businesses that are just getting started. The Starter Plan includes essential features such as unlimited products, unlimited campaigns, unlimited funnels, multiple payment gateways, basic affiliate management, email integration, checkout page templates, basic reporting and analytics. Next Growth Plan, priced at $199 per month, the Growth Plan is aimed at businesses that are expanding and need more advanced features. It includes everything in the Starter Plan, plus advanced affiliate management, enhanced reporting and analytics, customer retargeting, subscription saver, additional customization options for checkout pages, integrations with more third-party apps, priority support. Scale Plan. This is the most comprehensive plan. It's designed for businesses that require robust features to scale their operations. The Scale Plan includes all features from the Growth Plan, plus premium support, dedicated account manager, API access for custom integrations, white labeling options, advanced automation rules, more extensive customization and branding options, additional training and onboarding assistance. All plans come with a 14-day free trial, allowing you to explore PayKickstart's features before committing. Additionally, PayKickstart offers annual billing options, providing a discount for those who choose to pay yearly. The pricing structure is designed to be scalable, ensuring that as your business grows, you can upgrade to a plan that offers more advanced features and greater support. PayKickstart's flexibility makes it a suitable choice for businesses at various stages of growth, ensuring you have the tools necessary to manage your sales, affiliates, and subscriptions effectively. Now, let's go inside PayKickstart. This is my PayKickstart dashboard. We're inside the campaign section. On the left-hand side, you have a menu. Some of these options won't be available if you have the Starter Plan, as they are only for higher plans. But the important stuff is available to everyone. If you want to sell a product, you need to create a campaign. These are my campaigns. You can see I have Video Marketing Insider, YouTube Channel Mastery, The Conversion Point, and more. Some are disabled because I don't sell them anymore. Each campaign has products attached to it. For example, my Video Marketing Insider campaign has 3 products: a monthly option, an annual option, and a lifetime option. Each product has a different link that takes customers to a checkout page. I'll show you how to set this up. If you have a sales funnel with upgrades and downgrades, you can manage that here. This section also relates to affiliates. If you don't have affiliates, you don't need this, but if you do, you can manage them here. You can find their links if they can't find them themselves, see how much you owe them, and manage payouts. Some features require higher plans, but the basics are available to everyone. Reports are available here, where you can check your sales, funnels, commissions, and traffic. This helps you see how well your products and campaigns are doing. You can check on a product-by-product basis to see your revenue and conversion rates. There are extra tools available, but again, some are only for higher plans. Under the more technical section, you can blacklist problem customers, add developers to help set things up and create contracts to split proceeds 50-50. If you sell other people's products, you can manage that in the affiliate section, where you can get your affiliate links and check your stats and earnings. To create a new product, click the plus button and give your campaign a name. Let's call this Demo 1. Hit Save. You can edit this later. Upload your logo, choose your language, and select your currency. You'll need to integrate your payment gateways with PayKickstart. Enable PayPal and credit card options, and if you want, wire transfer. Enable one-click upsells for seamless purchasing. For prepaid cards, set the preferences here. Transaction emails can be managed within PayKickstart or via integrations like SendGrid or Amazon SES. You'll need a support URL or email and a phone number if you want to offer phone support. Set your refund period, auto-attach invoices, and fill out your company details. If you want an affiliate program, enable it and fill out the necessary information like commission rates and affiliate tools. For membership integration, enable it and connect your membership platform. Save your settings. Once saved, you can add products to your campaign. Let's add a product called PDF. Name it appropriately, add a product description, and provide a landing page URL and an access page URL. Decide if you want to enable quantity purchases. Set your payment settings, one-time or recurring payments, price and payment intervals. If you don't have an affiliate program, skip the commission settings. Enter your company name, decide on tax collection, and set a refund period. Save and continue. Next, choose a template for your checkout page. You have various options. Select one and customize it in the editor. Add testimonials if you have them. Enable legal checkboxes if necessary. Configure exit pop-ups if you want to capture abandoning customers. For integrations, set up IPN URLs for membership platforms not directly integrated. Enable email integration to add buyers to your email list and integrate with webinar systems, CRMs, and more. Once set up, test the process with a test transaction. That's PayKickstart at a glance. There's a lot more to it, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use. It has great integrations and excellent customer support. Use the profile menu for billing and the question mark for submitting support tickets or accessing the knowledge base. Notifications keep you updated on your performance. I hope this video has given you some insight into how good PayKickstart is. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try PayKickstart for free.